Time to recognize and appreciate the dedication nurses give to caring for others. WAAY 31's Julia Miller joins us live from Huntsville Hospital for women and children after talking with the nurse about what her job means. Well, Julia, this is so timely because this is Nurses Week.
Nicole, that's right. And whether you know a nurse personally or not, there's a good chance that at some point one has had an impact on your life. Sunny Walls is one of more than 83,000 registered nurses in the state. It's a number from the Alabama Board of Nursing.
I have been at Huntsville Hospital for 34 years, and I've been a nurse for also 34 years.
In those 3+ decades, she's seen a lot of change, starting as a labor and delivery nurse before then moving to the OR, each role coming with its own set of tasks.
Stable it and make sure it's working like it's supposed to.
Walls says it's a job that is not without tough moments.
You know, people say, oh, you've got one patient. Well, you've got two because you're taking care of the mom and of this little tiny human inside that you're just trying to figure out what they're trying to tell you based on their tracing. And so people kind of forget that it's a balancing act for sure.
Even though some shifts are harder than others, she says she wouldn't trade it for anything.
I wish that people realized how much nurses care. And, you know, we put on a pretty good front most days. And, you know, we take the brunt of whatever from patients, families, physicians, and we do have feelings. I know sometimes people think we don't. Well, they just, you know, they don't seem to care, but nurses care a lot.
And to all those aspiring nurses thinking about joining the field, this is her message.
Hang in there. It gets better.
Nurses Week runs through this weekend until next Monday. So if you see a nurse out, be sure to thank them for all they do. Reporting live in Huntsville with coverage you can count on, Julia Miller, WAAY 31 News.